I want to gift you the election ready blueprint, which is silver membership of our community, and it is a lifetime gift to you being part of this community. Now, what is it? How will it benefit you? What all will you get inside? Let me share that with you. As the name suggests for this membership, it is election ready blueprint. So, what is it? Yeah. So, this is designed with the core philosophy that how that you have how you be election ready all the time. Yes. So if we just look at the difference between a seasoned politician and an aspirant politician, or for that matter, anyone or a professional for that matter, or a strategist, if we just look at the life of a seasoned politician, then we see that, a seasoned politician, one trait that a seasoned politician has is that he or she is always election ready. Yes. So if it is said ki election is in 2 months, or election is in 1 month, election is in 6 months, whatever, whenever it is announced, yes, the politician, seasoned politician, says fine, no problem. Yes. And from the that very day, or from the very next day, he or she begins his or her campaign, right? Versus somebody who's not a seasoned politician, yes, so start getting butterflies in the stomach कि यार अब कैसे करना है, what all do we need to do, suddenly bomb is dropped. Yes. So that anxiousness kind of feeling starts coming, because we know, first of all, we know that this political domain is like really a very challenging and complex domain. Not because we know the science. There are multiple factors to it. Yeah. First thing is, definitely we know how to contest election to a large extent. Let's say we know how to contest election. We have been doing that probably. We have been part of various campaigns, or we have seen that. But the very challenge that comes over here is that यहाँ पे even new tools and techniques are being invented every day, and it is being used in our campaign. जैसे AI आ गया, AI is being used, social media is being used at very advanced stages, social listening is being used, so many things. Anything that is new, that is innovative, or that is invented, it is हमारे कैंपेन में वो यूज होने लगता है. एंड इफ वी आर नॉट अर्ली मूवर्स टू दैट, देन इट इम्पैक्ट्स आवर कैंपेन. नाउ हाउ डू वी stay ahead of the curve and be early mover in that? So उसके लिए definitely it is with that vision कि मेरी community को वो चीज़ मैं दूँ. It is with that vision that this membership is designed, this to make you election ready all the time, just like the seasoned politician. Yes. And in order to do this, there are I will just walk you through कि इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें I am doing which makes you election ready. Essentially what it is doing is it is transforming aspirations into impact. And who will benefit out of this? Definitely seasoned politicians, aspiring politicians, core team members, and strategists. Now, why now? Yes, as we know that there is digital dominance in the political space. Decisions are being made by data. There is narrative crafting which is happening, like compelling stories that resonate deeply with diverse audience. Now, in order to unlock the unparalleled value, this silver membership is there. What all will you, how will you use it? Yes, what all is inside this silver membership? So what you will get inside of this silver membership is that you'll get comprehensive courses on how to become election ready. Yes, so altogether it's a bundle of six, one 3-day course plus six bonus courses inside of making you election ready. Then what we do is that we do hackathons. So what are hackathons, election hackathons? Election hackathons are weekly, on a weekly basis, uh, I work with you live to make you election ready. Yes, so like one hackathon lasts for 3 months period. In 90 days, it's like a sprint. Okay, it's like a sprint. I make you election ready in 90 days. Yes, every week new mission on, let's say, research, voter targeting, goal setting, speeches, campaign messages, designing campaigns, then implementation of the campaigns, everything. Yes, so in 9 weeks, done. Yes, in 3 months, in 1 quarter, you are done with the latest trends happening in the election campaign. So I am doing the innovation, I am learning the innovation, I am doing all that technical work, the hard work for you. And then through hackathon, that is what I am imparting that to you. So that is what these election hackathons are. Then there are practical assignments. Yes, so assignments are like, it has more than 200 plus questions to make you election ready. What it will do is that it will create your uh, election blueprint. Okay, let's say if you just, it's like a workbook, you just take the questions, 200 plus questions, you just do the question answer, question answer, question answer, question. There is a question, you give the answer. There is a question, you give the answer. There is a question, you give the answer. You just do question answer, question answer, question answer. And at the end of it, आपके पास अपने election campaign का एक मैनुअल बन के आ जाएगा, विच इज लाइक अ ब्लूप्रिंट, विच इज लाइक जैसे आप अपने बिजनेस में बिजनेस ब्लूप्रिंट बनाते हैं, उस तरह यहाँ पे आपका कैंपेन ब्लूप्रिंट रेडी हो जाएगा, which within your core team you can give, like everyone will be on same page. If your campaign is well written, well initially ही सारा कुछ planned है, so everyone will be on same page and it really elevates the impact of the campaign. Then next there is weekly question answer. So every week, one day I do live with you, and the intention of that live session is question answers, helping you answering all your question answers. So essentially in a week, 2 days I am live, and these live sessions are in the evening, so that majority of us are free of our daily work around 8 o'clock. From 8 o'clock it starts. Yes, so weekly question answers में आपके जो भी question answers हैं, the intention is to answer each and every question of yours. Yes, inside of making all our community members election ready. Yes, then next is fifth thing that you get is peer to peer learning. जैसे when you are part of the community, so everyone learns from each other. Yes, it's not just me teaching gyan with you. It's not like that, but rather it's also everyone in the all of you, all of us are leaders in this community. Yes, my intention as a community founder is just one thing, to empower you with the latest happenings in this field, at the mindset level, at the tools and techniques level, at the innovation level. But along with that, you know there is lot of things that we learn from each other, which is what peer to peer learning facilitates. This silver membership that I am gifting to you, it's for lifetime. It is not it does not have it has a lifetime validity that you get. And your journey to unstoppable readiness begins now. If you are eager to join the community, link is in the description below. You can check out the link. So excited to have you onboarded. Yeah, okay. Bye bye. See you inside the community.